You got $1,000 to invest? Well, stop right there. This is the moment, the critical moment, where most people screw it up. What you do with that money either builds wealth or buries it. Doesn't matter if you're in your 30s or 50s. You get this right, or you pay for it for years. You start questioning every move, second-guessing every tip. One mistake becomes a pattern. That's how wealth slips through your fingers. Coming up, I'll show you the single shift that separates wealthy investors from broke ones. Most people never learn this, but you're about to. So let's set the record straight. What do most people get wrong? Mistake number 1, chasing hype. You know what I'm talking about. Your buddy made $2,000 on some hot stock. Someone on TikTok called it the next Tesla. And now you're tempted to jump in. But here's the truth. If you heard about it on social media, in more cases than not, you're already too late. By the time the average investor jumps on the hype train, the insiders have cashed out. So guess who's left holding the bag? Think about the GameStop crowd, or the crypto surge in 2021. Huge numbers of investors bought at the peak, and then the crash happened. Those investors weren't dumb. They were just late. That's what hype does. It pulls you in after the smart money has already moved on to something better. Mistake number 2, sitting on the sidelines too long. Have you ever said, "I'll wait for the market to cool off," or "It's too risky right now"? Big mistake. The real risk is that inflation eats away at your cash while you sit there and wait. Holding cash might feel safe, but over time, it's a guaranteed loss. Mistake number 3, thinking you need a lot of money to start. This one kills more dreams than all the others combined. Because the longer you wait, the more you miss out on the one thing that separates average investors from wealthy ones: time. It's not how much you invest. It's how early and how consistently you do it. Now here's that strategy I promised. Pay extra close attention. It's what many of the top financial counselors are suggesting right now. Invest in a low-cost, diversified index fund and automate contributions so you invest money regularly. That's it. No hype, no stress. Just smart, consistent investing that compounds over time. Let's say you put that $1,000 into an index fund today, then added just $100 a month. With average market returns, you'd be looking at over $100,000 in 25 years. And that's with no big bets, no stress, and no timing the market. Investing success is not about picking winners. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. And that, right there, is the mindset shift that could change your future. Wealth isn't built on luck or timing. It's built on boring, consistent moves that compound into something life-changing. And the best part? You don't have to be rich to start. You just have to start. Tips like these barely scratch the surface of what this channel has to offer and what we have in the production stage. So if you're done with hype and hungry for real wealth, join us. Hit subscribe now. And next, watch our video on Warren Buffett's biggest investing mistakes. Because even the greatest investor of our time blew it more than once. The difference? He learned, he adapted, and he got rich because of it. Now it's your turn.